See, let's get the VIN. Let's see. Hello.
I think it might be a dead battery. I mean, I don't know.
Okay. What does it do when you try to start it right now?
Well, it was like, I mean, I could try it. It lights up and everything, but it just won't turn over.
Okay, yeah, if you want to try it, I can kind of see.
Yeah.
Give you an idea. Sounds like a battery.
Yeah.
Go ahead and pop the hood. We'll check the battery first. I was kind of surprised when I saw it was a 22 and it needed a tow. I was like, that's different. Let's see, it should be, you got it, nice. All right. The battery is in kind of an unfortunate spot because if we do jump it, you still have to take it to the dealer because AutoZone or O'Reilly's isn't gonna want to take that apart.
Right.
So.
Okay, yeah.
But yeah, the jump start will be cheaper than the tow, so hopefully that'll get us going here.
Okay.
Let's see. This will kind of give us an idea of what it's got currently, and then we'll see if we can get it fired. Where is the release for that side? I think it just pops all the way out.
Yeah.
Don't want to break it though. Oh, here we go. Maybe? There we go. It like clips in the bottom, and then the tops are like these little pegs, it looks like. There we go. Okay. Put that right there. Yeah, it's only got 9.7. We need 12.5. So go ahead and give it a shot and see if it fires up for you.
All right.
Go ahead and try it.
Okay.
Yeah. I just don't want to get your seat dirty. I saw you got light color interior.
Yeah. Oh, I've got 4 kids. They don't.
Oh, shit.
Oh, hold on. See.
Oh, yeah. You'd think it'd be close enough, but... Try it again. Okay, let me grab the other box. Let me see. We'll put 2 on it. The dealer is literally 2 miles away, so this would be good if we can get it to jump. Let's see. Where's the other pack? There it is. Let's see, hopefully this one's got decent charge. 75 should help. Let's see. Just hoping there's enough room on the terminals to grab both of these. Let's see. Let's see, we'll put that one. Oh, leave that one there, I guess. We'll put this one on this smaller peg down here. Maybe not. Let's see. We'll put that one on there first, and then we'll clamp this one. There we go. Okay. See if that'll do it. And then this one, put it right on that back tab. Ah. Somehow. Let's see, let me move that back. That's reading right there, so maybe I can just hold it, but I would rather clamp it on there. Okay. I can just hold it right there. That one and that one. Go ahead and give it a shot. Nice. Yeah, so if you take a look, the battery is the issue. It's charging great. 13.5, 14 volts is exactly what you want to see out of the alternator. Okay. But if we turn this off, the battery is not going to start it. Yeah, so let me take this off. Is the battery light on or the check engine light on the dash? Yeah, I'm sure this is on. Let's see.
Well, right now it's just telling me the hood, but I mean,
let me shut that and make sure. I just don't want it to leave you stranded if we drive it over there. Let me shut this and see what it says. Does it say anything?
It just says that my door's open.
Okay. Let me just double check around you. Sorry, I don't want to. I think you should be okay to drive it over there. It's only a couple miles away, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you should be good. Let me put these away and we'll bill you for the jump start.
Okay. Thank you.
Absolutely. Good to go. Oh. Go ahead and open the hood back up. I'll put this back on. I forgot I took that off. Okay. Yeah. It was wrapped up in the chargers. All right. Love that. Pulling into John Jay to pull out a 01 Jeep Wrangler with a blown engine. Not good. Of course, the O'Reilly's delivery truck just pulled in front of me, so I'm sure they are going to be in my way. I was told it was green. I see a white Jeep. I don't see a green one. And husband still has this stupid ass bus parked back here. Dumb. Okay, luckily the O'Reilly guy didn't park in the way. Guessing he's been told. Which is good, because a lot of times they don't listen. Oh, it's probably this Jeep Comanche thing. Did it have Colorado plates on here? I think that is it, yeah. Okay. Let's see what we can do. See what we can see. See, I need to see what I can see. Dumb. Alright. Go find these guys. Oh, yay. This one? Right. Okay. Thought the engine was blown. Oh, okay. It can be backwards. Don't worry about flipping it around if it's harder. Okay. Yeah.
It'll do whatever. It gets where I'm ready to pull
awesome.
in and out every day.
Sounds good. Oh, he loves it. The chalky milk.
Yeah.
Love it. It's nice though. Go back just a little bit more. And you're perfect right there. Thank you. Shut it down, just set the parking brake, but leave it in neutral, please. Thank you. Yeah, since it's manual, we're gonna pull it up. Well, winch it up, I should say. Because I don't trust these old ass parking brakes. See, I always assume tows are going to be more of a headache than they are. Gotta go into it that way though, because if you go in thinking, oh, it's going to be a piece of cake, you know, disappointed every time. But keep the expectations low and then you're surprised. It's better that way. It's kind of what I do with life, honestly. Expect nothing, and then when I get something, you know, feel good about it. Don't want to release the winch, but I think I'm gonna have to. Better than pushing the Jeep forward and then realizing it's still too short to reach, because yeah, would have been. Luckily, Jeeps are super easy to hook up. Don't have to fold it down on the ground. When they're lifted, fuck, you don't even have to sit on the ground. Sit down, or like lean over. Oh my god, shut up. I hate the Jeep door chime. It's wanting to roll already? That's crazy. Okay, it's fine. We'll leave it half set like that anyway, just to make sure. Damn, the Coupe de Ville on fucking, guessing 20s? Killing them. Steer a little bit. Oh, steering wheel locked. How unfortunate. Damn it, I was hoping we're gonna have to get back in it and unlock the wheels to steer it back, but we do. Damn. Come on, fucker. Oh, does it have a little button? Yeah. What does this Jeep think it is? A 240? Just kidding. It's a nice Jeep. Top's in like really good condition too. It looks new. Even with a blown head gasket, I'm sure he wants 20 grand for it. Never understood the reason Jeeps are so expensive, but I guess we are in Arizona. They're more expensive here. All right. Give me this. I already see a frame hole. Love that. Oh yeah. Not a half link off for once. Love that. Alright. Damn. Took both of my jackets off already. Now, standing in the sun here, I think I'm gonna have to pop the pants off too. What the fuck? How did this strap get turned around like that? There we go. Lawnmower repair guys next door. I feel like that'd be a cool job, working on little engines like that. It's like they have like 3 or 4 parts to make them run besides the engine itself. I think, right? Seems like they do. Seems simple enough. I did not get any pictures of this fucking thing. God damn it. It's because they were so prompt having it ready to go. Oh, that's a big one. And we'll get one more from the other side. Oh, there's a scratch there. One there. That's like a paint drip, but we'll get that too. And I think that is all. We'll get one from this side too, just to be safe. So why not? It's a very nice Jeep. Alright. Let's get out of here. Skedaddle. Ski-deedle. Right. Pulling up to customer's residence. Let's see. There it is. Oh, let's see where he wants it. Hello. Where about does it need to end up?
Go here.
In the dirt?
Yeah.
Or the gravel, rather?
On the gravel.
Close to the wall or closer to the driveway?
Closer to the wall.
You got it. And how far back? Right about there. Got it. Yeah, perfect. Old guys across the street are working on a new Ford Lightning, the electric ones. What the hell could they possibly be doing? Gotta make sure I don't land on his wall. I'm nice with it. Could have gotten closer, but all good. I'm gonna unblock the street and then we'll do payment. What's that? I gotta look at the app. I'm not sure just yet. Seems like one of those dudes that's gonna try to pay cash, but want the cash discount, which we don't really do. For the F-150?
Yeah, the
all right.
truck, yeah.
What's going on with it?
It's the compressor is bad.
Which one?
That one.
No, I know, but which compressor?
The air compressor.
For the AC?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So will it still start and drive?
It don't start. It's the barrel is
Shredded?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It should start still then.
But it's
The pulley?
uh-huh.
You want to pop the hood real quick?
Yeah.
Let me take a look at it.
Yeah, this is bad there.
It's like stuck?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because without a...
But I put I think
Watch your fingers.
the neutral and maybe that.
It's just, we're going to be right in everybody's way. Yeah, if you want to give it a shot, try to roll it out, I'll push you.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Just make sure you don't hit anybody.
Yeah.
We'll try to end up by that Explorer over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Any day now. Start turning. Turn, turn, turn. Keep turning. How many fucking times do I have to say it? Oh my god, this guy is not fucking getting it. Okay, I mean, I guess that'll work. All right, put it in park. Yeah, I guess we'll figure it out from there. Give me a second. Excuse me. I'm gonna be... I gotta pick this thing up with my truck, so if you're leaving, or if you're gonna leave, I would leave now.
I'm leaving right now.
Okay, gotcha, gotcha. I just didn't want to block you in. Caught me off guard because she was kind of being a cunt when she rolled down the window. The look she gave me was like, trying to help you, lady. I want your dumbass to get stuck in my way. And then she, okay, I thought she was coming around this way. I was like, what the fuck? Literally just said. Watch out, everybody. Make my presence known. Alright. Block the whole fucking parking lot. Guess it's not so bad, but could definitely be worse. Or it could have been better too, though. I don't know if we're gonna make this turn. Need to rotate more. Let me see. Hold on, I need to reposition. Didn't realize this fucking extended bed cab, whatever the fuck. This is so dumb. I hate this. This is like the worst. I need to move my truck again. Yeah. I need to go more that way. These fucking floor mats are pissing me off too. Everything's pissing me off right now because this call is so fucking dumb. It'd be different if there wasn't a million fucking cars everywhere. But of course, it's right at lunchtime. Always happens at lunchtime. He's trying to direct me. He's not fucking helping. He's just making it worse. All right. Where did I put my gloves? Oh. That'll be better. I don't want to get too close to that one.
Yeah.
So we'll have to turn real sharp and yeah. All good. And you have the address where we're taking it?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get it when we get in the truck.
Okay.
Or you're gonna meet me over there, I take it, because you have another truck. Alright, let me grab this. I think I just felt my glove rip. That. Put this over here. All right. Let's see. Ooh. All right. All right. Yeah, go ahead and jump in and just steer it up. Go left.
Yeah.
Keep going. Keep going. Here, it's actually easier to do it from outside the car, believe it or not. Let me see. There.
Yeah.
Got to use your body.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Hold it there. Once it gets on the bed too, it'll be easier to steer.
Okay.
Yeah. Neutral? Yeah. Okay. Keep going left. There you go. Just hoping we don't run out of bed here. It's gonna be close. Hold on, I gotta move this. The ratchet. Why the fuck would you pull in over here? Go fuck yourself, idiot. Jesus. Can't tell if we're gonna make it. I need to go to the other side. Might have to rotate it with the truck on the bed, which we've done before. That should be fine. Okay, almost there. Park. Set the parking brake, leave the keys in it.
Yeah.
And we're good to go. Yeah, leave it in there. Yeah, leave it in the ignition. And just be careful getting down.
Yeah.
All right, you're gonna meet me over at the drop-off?
I sent you the address. My wife and my son is there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want to do payment now, or you want me to get payment from them?
Payment for them.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah.
Yeah, just text me the address.
Okay.
All right. To that 909 number. Oh, I don't think I called you, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Here, let me see. Give me 1 second, sorry. It's fucking fun.
The address is send it, please.
Okay, give me 1 second. All right. Okay, sounds good. Thank you. I had to pause it because he was telling me his address for the drop-off. Where's the fucking... Come on, Ford, all these pieces of shit are gonna break down. Give me some frame holes. At least he came to help me load it. That was clutch, honestly. It's a lot. Some people don't. I'm like, what the fuck? One more. I can get the fuck out of here. I don't know why these idiots are sitting right there. Figure it out. Go the other way. I was here when you pulled in. It's not like you didn't know I was here. Dumbass. Well, we figured it out. He backed up. Stupid. And now my customer is parked right in front of me. Move. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. It's annoying. Wasn't too bad. Definitely had worse, but still annoying. Should've just asked him if we could cut the belt and start it, but I didn't want to eviscerate his shit. All good.
How much?
I gotta see. Let me look at the app. Let me turn this off real quick. What's that? Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. Right, here at the drop-off, customer's son's got to play a little bit of musical cars here. The street is too narrow for me to get it in his driveway like he needs, but you know, can only do so much with what we got. Streets are pretty narrow, but there's also cars parked on both sides. So that's what's making it kind of not doable. Forgot I had the truck all sideways and shit. All right, let's see what we can do. Sometimes the auto roll on this side works and sometimes it doesn't. I forgot he tipped me. I'm gonna need to go back more. Yeah, it's looking like it. This truck's long, but it's not that long. Could roll it maybe, but I'd rather have full control over this thing. Let's see. Okay, not on the ground yet. Let's see. Let's go back more. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck I was thinking. Couldn't really tell where it was at. Okay. Should be good. We might have to roll it back just a couple feet to clear the driveway, but yeah. Put it in neutral, steer it a little bit. God damn it. Okay. 213,000 miles. It's a good one. Run that over. Let's see. Yeah. Keep cracking my back every time I lay on the ground. If you want to jump in and steer, I can push it so we can get it closer to the curb and back more. Let me just put this away. shut the PTO off and push this big ass truck around. All right. Let's see. Yeah, we'll probably have to go back past that where we need it and then steer after that. Oh man. All right, go left. Keep going. All right, now go right. Keep turning, keep going. Whew, just wanna make sure. More. All right, brake. Good to go. Whew. All right, you paying card, right?
Cash.
Okay. He told me card, so I gotta switch the thing up a little bit.
Okay.
Whew.